I prepared three different types of bhorta and I'm gonna show you the recipe in this video. So let's just start. So at the very first step, I started to fry my tilapia fish in the oil, and before frying that, I started to steam cauliflower and broccoli. I marinated that fish with salt, turmeric powder, and chili powder, and then I fried it. And after frying that, I mashed it with my hand. It was really soft, so it was easier to mash it with my hand. And in every bhorta recipe, you have to use your hand to mash everything. So later, I was frying red chili and garlic on the same oil where I fried my fish, and I fried it till it become like smoky. And I also added two, not two, like one tomato, and I split it and started to fry it on the same oil where I was frying my garlic and chilies. And I just take out the chili because it was done, and I fried the garlic for a while, and then I added some green chilies also, and I fried it all those things. Normally we don't fry green chilies, but I fried it because I will keep it for um more than a day, because I'm a lone person and I will not finish that much bhorta by myself in a day. So yeah, I have to eat it for 2 to 3 days, I guess, or 2 days basically. So I mashed every ingredient individually, and then I mixed it together like chili, green chili, red chili, and onion. And I also added mustard oil. I mixed it very well with my hand, and I will add the potatoes to that. And yeah, my potato bharta is ready. Next is my fish bharta with broccoli. So I mixed the broccoli. I boiled this broccoli and it is so soft and I can mash it with my hand. So I was mashing it, and so when I made the potato bharta, I used half onion which I mashed it with my hand, and I used mustard oil and green chili, red chili. So yeah, I used half of them into the broccoli and fish bharta. Then this is the last one. This is cauliflower bharta where I used tomato also, and this is the only bharta where I used garlic, and I mashed it with my hand, and it was obviously easier to mash it all together. And I used green chili, red chili, and onions mix, like which I did previously. Yes, and that is my three bharta, and it was yum. And I had this three bharta with steamed rice. You can't believe it how amazing it was. Each and every bharta was so tasty and so good. I loved it. See you on my next recipe. Bye.